cost every deal.
So here's the property.
There's the home now.
And this is the one at 9600 Rosewood Pointe Terrace, number 201. A little bit different style cabinets. On this one, the pantry's on the other side. The pantry is a little bit larger than the other model. Kind of that same den office style. It looks like they did a nice job. They put curtains here on the windows, although you think all you can see is probably me. Nice closet. Now, this owner's suite feels a little bit larger than the other one. I'm not sure if it's just the way it's decorated or if it's actually physically larger. Once again, private access to lanai. Beautiful water views, golf course.
They gotta text me right as you were 20 minutes late. So no problem.
Once again, storm shutter bolts.
They just put that sweet tile and put in the lanai there. They just did that recently.
The agent wanted me to point out that they have brand new tile out here. It always makes it easier to clean. You can just mop it right up.
Put it in the kitchen and the backsplash not that long ago.
The backsplash looks beautiful. This one has the manufactured kind of marble look to it. I think it's a little bit nicer than the Korean. Have a Berber carpet in here. That's your garage spot. All right, I hope that helps.